Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 3 of our 21-day mindfulness challenge. This week, we are practicing basic steps to be mindful. And as we practice more of these steps, we get used to using them when we really need them. And from next week onwards, we would add to these processes, these steps, and take it to the next level. So let's start. So we would start with gentle breathing. Again, we would count from 1 to 5 to breathe in, hold for a couple of seconds, and then count from 1 to 7 to breathe out. So let's take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, and gently exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take another deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. And gently exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you exhale, you let go of anything which doesn't belong in this moment. Take another deep breath in, like a full body breath, filling your belly, filling your chest, going all the way in. And then hold. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you exhale, if a sound or a heavy breath comes out, that's absolutely normal. Take another deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. And gently exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And just continue to breathe in deeply. And breathe out. Follow a gentle rhythm. And with each breath, notice the subtle changes in your body. If your mind goes out somewhere, just bring it back by focusing on your breath. And find a gentle rhythm to breathe in, breathe out. Now we would start with relaxing our physical body. So starting with our feet. So relax your feet, bring your attention to your feet and let them go. And when you let them go, your feet becomes heavier and you become lighter internally. So let your feet go. Let go of your ankles. Let go of your lower legs. And with each step you feel more relaxed internally. Relax your knees, relax your thighs, relax your lower abdomen, relax your belly. And with each step, like everything just dissolving at a distance, like you're becoming more easier in this moment. And continue to breathe as we are going step by step. Relax your chest. Relax your shoulders, your arms, all the way to the fingertips. Relax your throat, your jaw, your mouth. Like everything melting away in a distance. Relax your tongue. Relax your face, your nose, your eyes, your eyelids, your cheeks. Relax your forehead. Relax the top of your head. Relax the back of your head. Relax your neck, it carries a lot of weight. Relax your upper back. Just let it be easy. Relax your spine vertebrae by vertebrae all the way to the base of the spine. Relax your hips and relax your legs all the way back to your feet. Now scan your physical body all the way from the top of your head to your feet and check how are you feeling in this moment. Is there still a part which is not relaxed, which seems blocked? So take your attention to that part. Feel into that part, like as if you're listening into that part. And check what is it that's trying to convey in this moment, whatever it is, without making it right or wrong. And as you're listening to it, you can respond back to it by saying, take whatever you want in this moment, and trust it knows what it wants in this moment. So today we are going to focus on one of our qualities, very special quality of resilience. And resilience is our ability to bounce from a setback, to recover, and also to adjust when we are faced with a change. And we all possess this quality. And as we look at our life in our past, we have all passed through challenging times. We have passed those exams, especially those where we thought we will not survive, where we will not be able to cope up with it. But as you look back on those times, you realize that not only you survived, but you also learned some important lessons. You also tapped into your inner strengths, inner qualities which you didn't knew existed before. So just to bring that quality into focus, which is the resilience. So sit relaxed and just bring into your awareness that part of you which is very resilient. You can even bring into your memory that time, that event when you allowed yourself to tap into your inner strength without even knowing. But you coped up with the situation, you took the challenge and continued to move forward despite your inner fears. So bring into your awareness that strength, that quality. You can even breathe, and as you breathe in, you bring into awareness that I'm breathing in this resilience. And notice how it feels as you bring in this awareness that I am resilient. You can speak out loud. I am resilient. I am resilient. And with each breath, as you're taking in, add this quality of resilience. I am resilient. And this is one quality which has helped me overcome difficult times, helped me cope up with difficult challenges, and helped me continue move forward. So knowing that you already possess this power, you already possess this quality, just trust your own abilities in this moment. I am resilient. And you would just sit in this space with this awareness that I am resilient. And notice how it feels as you're tapping into your inner resilience. By bringing this resilience into your awareness more, notice the subtle changes, notice the energy inside, notice any subtle physical shifts. No matter what you experience in this moment, the truth is that inner resilience is your own inherent quality. And knowing that, you can relax more. So thank you. We'll meet tomorrow. Have a great day.